Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sign up on your MetaTrader 5. To do so, first of all, make sure that your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure of that, just go into your MetaTrader 5 app, and after the app opens up, you can see a messages option on the bottom right side of your screen. Go on to messages and you can see these options on the bottom, that is register and sign in. If you already have an account on MetaTrader 5, you can just click on sign in, otherwise go on to register. And after clicking on register, this will appear on your screen, account registration section. Now you just have to log in your details, and after that you'll be able to get an account on MetaTrader 5. You can either input your login, your email and password, or you can simply just sign in with your Google if you already have a Google account. And that's how you can sign up on MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.